Selamat pagi, nama saya Chihiro. Actually, now I'm in quarantine hotel because I went back to Japan and come back to Malaysia again. I arrived last week and now 7 days already passed. Now 8 days already passed. So let me guide my quarantine rooms as standard plan. This is my room for quarantine. Actually, the room is quite big. It's 35 square meters. Here is Rama Hotel, and this is twin room, so I got 2 beds even though I'm alone. And 2 chairs inside, and I got the big window like this, but I cannot open this window. And this side I can see the pool side. At the next door, I can see the Xiaofeiyan, the Kambing Steamboat restaurant. And the view is not so bad. I see the Google reviews. The room on the other side got the view with KLCC Twin Towers. That sounds good, but this one also not so bad, I think. And I got the enough amount of amenities, toilet papers and tissue papers, and knife and fork for 14 days of the this one is the sea salt, which I brought, and quite useful to eat quarantine food because sometimes it's not enough salty. And this mug cup also provided by the hotels, and quite useful. I like to drink the hot tea, and they have the international plugs, so don't worry if you forget to bring some BF plug for Malaysian. And the chair is very good for walking. And TV also got this Kellogg's, and fruit cream milk is provided as breakfast. And you can check from this hall whether the food is already came or not. And they provide the waters for 14 days. This is just a half. I consumed already 1 box of water. And the garbage bag also provided one every day. Thank you for watching this video. Please click subscribe button below and jangan lupa press button di bawah ya. Jumpa lagi.